Alright, we're looking at the Ulanzi smartphone filmmaking kit. First of all, look at the quality of this box. The quality box, it's not some generic thing. It has everything you need in it. You know, it shows you how you can use it. Put it on a tripod, which is what I usually do. You've got the lights. It comes with the microphone. The microphone, it's a Sarin. It's a decent directional mic that plugs straight in. There's no batteries or no having to... comes with an extra cord. You got the dead cat here to muffle wind, and here's the unit. So pretty easy to use, you know. Lights are rechargeable and adjustable. You know, they go brighter and softer. That's great. The microphone goes up there, and you have these. You have 3 of these cold shoe connectors. You can just slide those in. And they also have cold shoe on the top of the lights. I was experimenting using another mic for a second, but this mic is rechargeable. So if for some reason this goes dead on a shoot, I'd probably never know it. That's not going to happen with this microphone, so that's nice. I know the Rode microphone's a little better in quality, but for the price of the Rode, you get this whole contraption. And I was on the fence about keeping it, but you know, it has everything I need for doing music lessons, and I use a Samsung. I use a Samsung Galaxy A20, really budget, basic phone. It happens to have the Samsung utilities on here, and so it has smart things. So I can use smart things. I can also use Smart View, which is found in a pull-down menu next to my location. I can go Smart View. Smart View, see, and it found it already. That was fast. So it sees the Samsung. It's asking me if it wants to start the video. And there you can see in the background it's pulling it in. So, wait a second, let me try that again. Oh, there we go. Smart View. It sees the TV. It's asking to start now. Start it. Give it a second. See if I can get, there it is, there's the phone. So if I'm going to shoot video, there it is. The thing is this little warning thing comes up, not warning, but I can't go landscape, and that's kind of upsetting. I'd really like to go landscape, especially if I'm going to shoot a little instructional guitar video here. The nice thing about this Galaxy, of course, is that it's got this wide angle. It's got 2 lenses on board, so I can go regular, or I can go wide angle, which I prefer, and it's shooting in, you know, 1080p for a little smartphone. So that's the reason this contraption is pretty cool. You can also, with the Samsung product, it just kind of, it was, let's go back into the Samsung products here, and I'll go into Smart Things. Let's get a zoom on that for you. This is Smart Things. Here's Smart Things. There's the TV set. It sees it, brings it up, and it also says, let's go back to the menu. It says show video on your TV while recording on your phone. Okay, let's try that. There's the it sees the TV. Select it. And now it's preparing to do a live cast on YouTube. Just like that. But again, it's not landscape. I really wish it was landscape. So, but that has absolutely nothing to do with this contraption, the Ulanzi. I recommend it for the money. It's a great budget thing. For just, it has everything you need. The lighting and everything is on board. You know, it could work with Zoom meetings. You could put your webcam on here and or mount it to your computer screen or what have you. So, yeah, it's a good buy. I give it a thumbs up all the way around. Thanks.